Truly speaking, it's not an event, it's a celebration of manufacturing heroes.
People celebrate the heroes who are just fictional hero, but the manufacturing Maestros is real celebration, which is backbone of the Indian industry.
Machine maker is really contributing a lot for the manufacturing industries, and this manufacturing Maestro series is really a milestone for many companies.
We have been to 6 cities and we are waiting for the season 2. Thank you and see you soon.